Welcome to this tutorial on navigating best places public transportation. As a comprehensive guide, we will cover the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to help you navigate the system with ease. First, it is essential to understand the different modes of transportation available in best places, including buses and trains. Familiarize yourself with the routes, schedules, and fares to plan your journey effectively. You can find this information on the official website or at local transportation hubs. Next, consider purchasing a rechargeable transit card, which offers convenience and cost savings. These cards can be bought at most transportation hubs or online, and they can be recharged at various locations throughout the city. To plan your route, use the online trip planner tool or mobile app, which provides personalized route recommendations based on your starting and ending points. Simply enter your destination and the system will suggest the most efficient route, including any necessary transfers. When using public transportation, arrive at the stop or station early to account for any unexpected delays. Check the electronic signage or printed schedules to confirm the arrival time of your bus or train. Be mindful of peak hours and plan your journey accordingly to avoid congestion. Once on board, follow basic etiquette rules, such as giving up your seat to those who need it, keeping noise levels down, and avoiding eating or drinking. Be aware of your belongings and keep them secure, especially in crowded areas. Finally, stay informed about service alerts, construction, or special events that may affect your route. Sign up for email or text notifications, or follow the transportation authority on social media to stay up to date. By following these tips, you will be well equipped to navigate best places public transportation like a local, and make your journey safe, efficient, and enjoyable.